Alright, so now what I want us to do is learn how to subtract using a number line. I think that these number lines can be introduced in a kindergarten setting, but due to the fact that we're subtracting 147, which is a very large number for a kindergartner, minus 52, we're getting up to the hundreds and tens places. I believe that this should be used and introduced in more of a second grade setting to where they're more comfortable with these large numbers. So for this situation, I'm going to use the number line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the biggest number when subtracting. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 147 up towards the top because I know I'm going to take away, so I need to leave room for that. So I start with 147, and I want to get this number to where I'm comfortable working with it. In order to do that, I need to get it where it either ends in a 5 or a 0, or in this case, because I don't know how I feel about this 7. And I also don't know how I feel about that 2, so I need to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down 2 so that I know I only have to take 50 more after taking away these 2. So now I have 146, 145. And look here, that ends in a 5, and I'm very comfortable working with 5s compared to 7s up here. So now what I have left, I've taken away those 2. I have 50 left. And I can't just go ahead and just snatch 50 from this one comfortably. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 10 at a time. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I'm just going to skip myself right back down and take that 50 away 10 at a time. And now that I've done that, I want to figure out how our number goes down. So I know 145 minus 10 is 135. And that minus 10 is 125. Minus 10 is 115. Minus 10 is 105. And minus 10 again is 95. And I was pretty comfortable taking away 10 compared to taking away that whole 50 at once. So now that I've done that, I've taken away my whole 52. I know that I have 95 left. So my answer is 147 minus 52 equals 95.